So sometimes you might encounter this error if you've just updated your Windows. So if you ever encounter this error, there are two ways to recover from this. The first and the safe way is go to a website for Windows recovery. I'll put a link to the official website in the description. Click that link and you will be redirected to this website. It is Microsoft official website. You have to sign in using your Microsoft account that your PC has been logged in with. So once you've signed in, you will receive a key. You have to copy that key here and press enter. It will recover Windows from this error. So what if you forgot your Microsoft account? You haven't even added the phone number to your account. The only way to recover from that situation is to wipe out your SSD or hard drive. So to do that, you need to make a bootable flash drive of Windows. You need to boot in using your flash drive and reinstall Windows. If you don't know how to install Windows, I'll put a link to a video in the description. You can follow along the video. It is very easy to follow. So these are only two ways you can recover from this error. That is it for me in this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. And be sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you next time.